Hey everyone, Henry here, coming to you live from the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center of Central Ohio and the Complete Health Dentistry of Columbus, Ohio. And I'm here at work. We partner with them with Juice Plus. And I just wanted to share with you the results of my tests that I took. And so as you can see, very unique. If you haven't heard of us before, this is the Heart Attack with a tooth in the middle, Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center, because the oral systemic connection between your cardiovascular system, your dental, and nutrition is what they highlight here. And so I wanted to walk you through some of my results. And so I just got my results back, and Dr. Goulder, here, our cardiologist, explained to me that fortunately I do not have arterial disease. However, I am showing the beginning signs of some plaque buildup in my right carotid artery. And so telling from my genetic test, my blood work, and also my CIMT, my carotid artery intima media thickness, he has suggested a few things. One, there's a correlation between the bacteria in the mouth that causes periodontal disease and different diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, kidney disease, rheumatoid arthritis, different autoimmune disorders, and heart attacks and strokes. And so what he's recommended is one of the treatments that I'm already doing through Dr. Barbara McClatchy, our dentist here, is Perio Protect. And so thank you to Tammy Dunn and Dwayne for Perio Protect. It's an awesome treatment which enables you to have a mold in the mouth, and you put this liquid inside of it. It's like a very hydrogen peroxide elated paste that you sit with 15 minutes at the beginning of the day and 15 minutes at the end of the day. And so that reduces the amount of bacteria, especially the anaerobes, the opportunistic ones that are trying to eat away at not just the gums, but also the enamel, which helps to protect the actual tooth itself. So a couple recommendations that they have put into play for me that might resonate with you. One, daily exercise, both looking at resistance exercises and also interval training. So my buddy Sham and I hitting up the gym over at Crunch Fitness, and also doing some daily exercises after my meditation in the morning. Avoiding alcohol, which isn't a big problem because I don't drink, but also incorporating the low-fat diet, including some fish, but staying away from red meat. They also recommend here that because of the benefits of vitamin D, reducing heart attack and stroke risk, and also immune system function with the pandemic going around and COVID, increasing vitamin D levels. And so I'll be starting to increase my vitamin D, maybe getting out and playing some more sand volleyball out in the sun. Anyone want to join me? Comment below, and I will get in touch with you, because I'm all about heading over here to Flanagan's and over here at Woodland's Backyard. They've also recommended that I get as many fruits and vegetables as possible. One of the mechanisms that they use here and they recommend at both practices, the Heart Attack and Stroke Prevention Center and the Complete Health Dentistry, is a product called Juice Plus. And so this is my increase in filling the gap between all the fruits. So there's 11 different fruits that they're recommending that I eat on a daily basis. It's 2 capsules, and it includes your apples and mangoes and pears and pineapples and cherries and dates, and 11 different fruits that you wouldn't normally eat every single day, especially being vine ripened, and vegetables as well. So I'm taking 2 of these vegetable capsules, which include all sorts of, there's 11 different vegetables in here as well, and these are just capsules of broccoli, parsley, tomato, whole fruit and vegetables, carrot, garlic, beet, spinach, cabbage, lemon peel, the peel itself, because most of the nutrients, especially when you're looking at rind, citrus fruits and stuff, 80% of those nutrients is actually found in the rind, in the skin. And normally we throw that away, right? And so the third capsule that they're recommending I eat is the berry blend, and that berry blend is a combination of 11 different berries, including raspberry, bilberry, blueberry, cranberry, pomegranate, Concord grape, black currant, blackberry, elderberry, great for immune system, and proven to increase your T cell count and your immune cell function. Artichoke and cacao, which they've also recommend a piece of dark chocolate every single day. Tons of antioxidants in that as well. So I'm super excited about that. That is one of the items that I am really excited about eating on a daily basis. Who doesn't want to eat more chocolate, right? And then increasing the amount of fiber in my diet in order to reduce cholesterol. A lot of you, if you know someone, comment down below, like down below, if you know someone in your life that has high cholesterol. Cholesterol is something that you can easily, through a healthy lifestyle, reduce by a number of things. One of the main things that you can do to reduce that cholesterol is to increase the amount of fiber in your diet. And so there's two types of fiber, insoluble fiber and soluble fiber. And one of the things that they're recommending is this guy right here. These are single serving packets. These are actual meal replacements or meal supplements. You can put it into almond milk, use it as a pre-workout or a meal itself. And it's got 17 plants. Again, whole food. There's not vitamins. It's actual food. And so I'm not vitamin deficient. Most of us are whole food deficient. And so out of the 17 plants in these and the other 33 plus vegetables and fruits from the other ones, they're recommending that, with that fiber, this is 8 grams. I don't know if you can see that. It's 8 grams of fiber in every serving. And so that fiber enacts as like a toothbrush or a pipe cleaner that goes through your arteries and clears out a lot of that cholesterol. And so definitely increasing the amount of not just fiber, but natural whole food plants in there. And a lot of people don't know, they think this is a protein powder, but it's not actually protein. It's actually whole food. It's got whole mushrooms in there as well. And so the mushrooms are a great source of vitamin D, so that covers my increase of vitamin D to reduce my chances of a heart attack or stroke as well. So looking forward to reporting to you on my changes in my blood work. And I've been asked to take a blood pressure log each morning, and so I'll be doing that. And then coming back and seeing Dr. Golder for my results. I'll be doing another live soon to show you the results of my cone beam scan, along with some more of my CIMT, the scans like sort of an ultrasound of your carotid arteries. So thanks for tuning in. If you're curious on how to get in touch with Dr. Golder here at the Heart Attack and Stroke Center, Prevention Center, and Dr. McClatchy, if you're looking for a complete dentist, Dr. Barbara McClatchy here, I've put the links in the caption, and so you can click on them. Go to their websites. You can log them on. You can log in and follow them. They give free education updates all the time as far as how to prevent periodontal disease, different tips on how to reduce your risk of heart attacks and strokes. In fact, if you're interested, they're offering a free heart attack and stroke risk assessment, which really only takes about 15 minutes. You can answer a questionnaire, and they'll get you back on those results. So thanks for joining us, and have a great day. Stay healthy.